This is Suite 9694, a two-bedroom grand suite on Maryland of the Seas. As you walk into the suite, you will see on your right-hand side the first room, which is a really decent-sized room. It can be converted into a queen-size bed or two separate beds, as you see here. Once you go into the room, you will see the living area, which has some storage space and TV. It has your coffee pot plus some additional inlets in which you can plug up items. You also will have little storage space by the sofa, which pulls out and converts into a bed. You also have the entrance of your balcony. Past that, by the chair, you will see the dining table. And from there, you can walk into the master bedroom, which has the ability to separate from the dining area by closing the doors. In the master bedroom, you have a nice sized viewport in which you can look out over the balcony area. Then, as you go around, you will notice some end tables by the beds and some night lights by your bed. Across from the bed, you will have your television and some additional storage space in which you can store items and your vanity. Right by the bed is the storage area, and past that is the bathroom. The master bathroom is fully equipped and has a tub in which you can sit and soak if you choose so. It also has the amenities that you would need and some additional storage space in which to put your toiletries. As you come back out and go across to the storage area, you can see the first storage is pretty decent size and will have your complimentary bedrolls. The second storage is about the same size, so you will have plenty of storage space in which to put your items. If you cross to the other side, you will see the half bath. The half bath is available so that in the morning or evening when you're getting ready, if you have a group, you will have plenty of space in which to get ready, and you will have additional storage space in the closet, which you have additional room in which to store items.